Hi there, this video is going to look at the problem people have encountered in Microsoft Teams recently. Often when trying to share screen, this message has popped up and people have found it difficult to share the screen with their classes. But there's a way to fix that which I'm going to show you. First of all, click on the Home button and then open the Settings app to bring up the following screen. Click on Control Center and Customize My Controls. At that point, you want to make sure that the screen recording function is in the Include section at the top of the page. If it is at the bottom and has a green circle with a plus sign beside it, then click on that to move it up to the top. From there, click the Home button again and pull down from the top right hand corner of your screen to reveal your control center. The screen recording button is the circle inside another circle. On mine, it's at the bottom right hand side. Press and hold this for a few seconds to bring up this option. And you want to make sure that when you do, that your options have a tick beside Microsoft Teams. Doing that will then allow you to broadcast by clicking on Start Broadcast. You'll see a small red circle at the top right hand corner which tells you you're recording. You press this also when you want to stop broadcasting your screen.